Have you ever had a mark on your face and you have absolutely no idea how it got there? That happens to me sometimes, and I don't really want to go throughout my day thinking about this mark on my face. So I like to use color correcting concealer from SeneGence. It's my absolute favorite, and I am in love with the coverage. It's also waterproof, which is fantastic. My name is Melissa Peachy. I'm your beauty pro, and I'm excited to just share the way I use this product and how much I love it. So it's very concentrated. It comes in a very small tube. However, don't be fooled, because this could last you, I've had concealers last me longer than a year. That is how amazing that they are. So I'm just going to use a very small amount. Now you can put it on the back of your hand. You can put it on a palette to dispense exactly how much you need. You can even use your finger. Now, of course, if you use your finger, it's going to be a lot heavier coverage. And if that's what you need, especially in covering like tattoos, or if you're having like really tough troubles with sleep and you have really bad like dark circles, it can be great to use your finger as well. And if you use your finger and you've put it on too heavy, then you can use a brush to smooth it out and sort of blend it so that it will blend into your skin. So I'm going to use my finger just to make this really simple. I'm going to use a very small dot. And I think you can see that. It's just a very, very, very small dot on my finger. And I have this mark. I have no idea where that mark has come from. And so when I put it on, I mean, you instantly can see that that concealer hides that mark, that I have no idea what it is. So now, I mean, basically looking at me, now you just see the light spot because I've put so much on. I'm going to close my container. Allergies this season, it's killing me, so sorry I sound so nasal, but I'm going to use this just a fluffy blender brush basically to blend that out, and so it just literally disappears into my skin. I mean, it's incredible. I can't even tell you how well this concealer works. And the key is, now that I've totally hidden that, that you need to let it dry. And maybe it'll only dry depending on how thick, how much you've put on. It could take a minute. It could take 5 minutes. So you'll really have to watch it. When it looks shiny, it's still wet. And when it's completely matte, it's totally dry and it's waterproof, which is fantastic. Sometimes if I have a little extra left over on the brush, if I have another little freckle or spot that I want to conceal, I'll actually put some there as well. But I absolutely love it. So I had to share because we are struggled sometimes with, different things that show up, from a red mark to a pimple, dark circles. And I have to say that this color concealer is my favorite. It has the best coverage. It's anti-aging with Cineplex Complex. So hello, you're getting coverage and skincare in your makeup. And it's waterproof. So you can go swimming, do hot yoga, go to the beach. You're all set with our color concealer. So I hope that helps. Love to share these tips and tricks. Thanks so much for watching.